Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's talk about Shiba. Is it going to rise? Is it going to continue to go up? Are we going to make some of these predictions that the analysts are coming out? We're going to talk about all that in this particular video. We're going to look at the current price. We are up today. We've dropped back from the 24.5+% surge yesterday. Firmly believe that was directly correlated to India now being able to trade crypto and all that kind of stuff that has been transpiring. So we'll see how that continues to develop. India is a massive market, especially for tokens and coins, specifically like Shiba, that have such a low price point, and so people can get into them, and put some money into them. So we're going to talk about the fact that will Shiba continue to rise? I firmly believe that it will. You guys know that I own a little bit of Shiba myself, and I've been here reporting on it for a while. So let's talk about it. Let's go see what is going to go happen with them. What is going to go happen? That was weird, wasn't it? All right. Before we do that, drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think it's going to go up? Do you think it's going to go down? Do you think we're dead in the water? Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. I do scan the comments, guys. I get a ton of comments. I can't reply to all of them, but I do scan them and I do see them. So I'm really curious about your thoughts. Do you think that Shiba is going to go up? Drop in the comments below. So as you can see, we are at 8.61 rise. Volume, guys, this is insane. Volume is coming back. It is the volume that is pushing up the price. It is the new people coming in. If you look at the last 7 days, and you look right here, the gray bar right here is the volume. Look at the volume increase. Continuing to increase. And oh, by the way, look at the price. The price has ridden according with it. Now, we obviously get highs and lows. We pull back. We go, we do get fluctuations, we get movement, but volume is a good thing usually if it's a volume in the right direction, not volume in selling, right? But we are getting some good volume. Volume is good overall. We need volume to come back into all of the crypto market. Speaking of that, let's take a look, because let's see, that's not what I want to do. Let's look at the overall crypto market. Again, the overall crypto market is, I'm beginning to sound like a broken record, but it is what it is right now. The overall market is not particularly great or good or bad right now. You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, excuse me, relatively flat, not really doing anything. Cardano up 3%, XRP up 1%, Dogecoin up 4%, Polkadot up 5%, Uniswap, Chainlink, Litecoin, Polygon up 2%. Again, it's really just overall flat in the last 24 hours. I mean, in the overall market is, it has had a 2.66% increase in the last 24 hours. So where are we at in this? We've got our 24-hour highs and lows. We've dropped down to the 7.8 and gone as high as 9.9. The 9.9 was basically yesterday or last night when I was reporting on it. How we were massively going up. And moving up. And I think that we will continue to move up. We moved up a little bit in overall ranking. We did peak and hit 29 ranking, and now we're back down to 31. Not a huge surprise there with kind of the pullback in the lot, with about, from 24% up to 8.83 up. Hey, we've gone up. As I said, whenever I go do a video, we go up. I'm kidding. Okay, so let's talk about kind of some other things that are worth mentioning. Shiba Inu has regained the #1 position in the most viewed cryptocurrencies over on CMC, CoinMarketCap. That's pretty cool. HODL was the #1 for a little bit, but Shiba has absolutely taken off. Of course, we've got our spin-off coins, Jindo, Inu coming in. There's definitely been some spin-off coins that have started to come in, right? So Shiba sitting right there in the #1 spot. Why do you care? What does this matter? You care because this is interest. This is people that are looking on CoinMarketCap, and they're specifically looking up Shiba Inu. And I would tell you there's over 10,000 plus cryptocurrencies out there. Okay, so this is a good thing that we are in the top. Since I've been tracking it, we haven't really dropped past, I think, number 3 or 4. Bitcoin took over #1 when the manipulation and China-Geddon stuff was happening and all that. But yeah, we are #1, so that's good stuff. So that continues to, I think, bring interest in. See, there we go. We're at 9.31%. I just got to keep talking. You know what? I'll start streaming and I'll stream all day and I'll just talk all day and we'll all be rich. There you go. All right. So let's continue to move on. I mentioned this in my intro. Will Shiba coin rise in value or price? This is over on Deseret News. Came out yesterday late. Let's see. So right here, experts wonder, can Shib, sorry. Where the hell did that come from? Can SHIB beat Doge? I think I was thinking of Doge, SHIB. I don't know what that was. So Ben Caslin, head of research and strategy at crypto exchange AAX, told the Inverse that people should not be quick to dismiss the hype around Shiba Inu coin. He said, quote, rather than simply dismissing the hype outright, it's important to realize that what we're seeing is the mass movement of traders new to crypto moving into the space. Okay. However, Sam Bankman-Fried, that's an interesting name, chief executive officer at crypto derivatives exchange FTX, told the Inverse that some of the hype might be misguided. Shocking, okay? Quote, I'd be surprised if SHIB overtook Doge, he said, according to the Inverse, but anything can happen. I want to finish this and I'll have some thoughts. David Haseo, CEO of Crypto Magazine Block Journal, told the Inverse that SHIB is meme-based cryptocurrency that people should approach with that thinking in mind. The coin is about connecting to a wider community and not necessarily a technological or financial breakthrough. We know this, right? It's absolutely a community coin. Will SHIB coin rise in value? Analysts reportedly said it's unlikely SHIB coin will ever reach $1. I mean, it would be awesome, but at 1 penny, this thing is insane. Yes, I know we have, overall how many coins are out there and all that kind of stuff. I get all that, right? But it hasn't shown as big of a growth compared to Dogecoin. I mean, I'm not expecting it to. However, SHIB coin will be something of a, quote, stable coin that doesn't have a massive fluctuation or volatility. I really want to point this out. The fact that they are using these words specifically related to SHIB is a big deal. Okay, stable coin is a big deal. The fact that they are now starting to discuss SHIB as it relates to being a, quote, stable coin is a big deal. Stable coins are, right here, quote, stable coins are currencies that have steady prices and are expected to have, quote, low prices volatility with prices that are pegged. If the SHIB coin does somehow follow in the steps of Doge, then the same kind of yield and growth can be expected later down the line. Okay? Of course, there is risk. Of course, we know this. But I think the overall context of this article, guys, this piece of news, is number one, we're not trying to get to $1. If we get there, great. But I mean, at a penny, this thing is absolutely insane valuation. And I would tell you right here, this is a penny, right? If we were able to move just to this spot right here, that is some insane profits and upward movement, right? When I started covering it, we were in the 100,000 spot and we had a 3, and everybody was just blissfully happy. We had this piece of content come out a couple of days ago where FX Street is saying that by the end of June 2021, we will have an 8 in this spot right here. Okay, again, I would tell you, remember, I want to do this though because a lot of you guys are new to me. Okay, right here, this is the high, our peak, our biggest peak we've ever had. That was a 3, and that 3 was sitting in the 100,000 spot. The 8 right now is in the million spot. The 3 in the 100,000 spot is our all-time high, and FX Street has come out and said, hey, they are thinking that by the end of June we would have an 8 sitting there, so almost 3 times higher than our all-time high is potential per FX Street and what they think this might do. Okay, despite almost 2 weeks consolidation, has overcome indecision, working in favor of the bulls. Okay, let me also show you guys my trading view chart that I have not changed. I did this last night where we peaked up and we've kind of now right here, you're looking right here. I'm not going to draw on it because I want you guys to see it and I want to continue to see how this evolves. We're on a 4-hour, I changed it to a 2-hour stance. You can see we're starting to get just a little bit of minor dip. So we peaked up and now we're minor dip down. Now we've got some green, a little bit, you can barely see them, but there's some little green bars there. So we'll continue to see how that develops, okay? And overall, see, there we go. Now we hit 10% up, okay? I think that this is one of those things where we'll just have to see how it continues to evolve. I wanted to end on this note. The strongest community, our goal is, again, that number, right? Sitting a 1 sitting in the 10,000 spot. This is overall. This is probably one of the best concise kind of stats thing I've seen. 866,000 watch this on CoinMarketCap. 33 rank on CoinMarketCap. Actually, it's 31 now. 3.14 billion market cap. 394 trillion total supply listed on 67 exchanges. 450,000 plus holders. 176,000 Telegram users. 500,000 Twitter followers. Shiba Swap onboarding. Shiba is too strong to fail. Is all possibly because of SHIB Army. We're the strongest community in the crypto space. I want to end on that note. I thought that was a really pertinent piece of information. Wanted to bring you guys. So, do I think that Shiba is going to continue to rise? Absolutely. What is the peak? Where can we get to? We will see how it plays out. When we get Shiba Swap hits the market, we'll see how that. I mean, that's massive, and that's the next major catalyst that we're waiting on. We'll see how that all plays out. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you down the road. See you. Bye.